You enjoying that, Al? Lovely. I think it's the only way and right I'm going to be bagging this weekend.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel and to another wild camping video. We're up here in the Lake District. We're doing a low level camp today. We were going to head up into the Fairfield range, but the weather forecast wasn't too good, so we've decided to head along part of the Ullswater way and camp at Silver Bay by the edge of Ullswater. As you can see, the weather's it's a bit miserable, but it's fairly mild. We stopped into the, I think it's the White Lion Inn for a pint along the way, which was nice. And we're almost at Silver Bay now, so I'll catch up with you again in a while. Bit steamy in there, mate.
Yeah, I'm not going to use turn that off, my hand's slippy.
So we've arrived at Silver Bay. We've got the tents up. It was raining for a while, but it's cleared up now. Just give you a look what I'm using. It's the trusty Jack Wolfskin Exolite 1. You've all seen that before. And this is Albert.
Alright, Ben.
What are you keeping in tonight, mate?
So tonight I'm using my trusty Van Gogh Cairngorm 100 because it is just for me.
Nice little solo one-person tent, that, isn't it,
Yeah.
Al?
Nice and light for me. Upgraded from my tent last year, didn't I?
Right.
Needed to be done.
And then we've got Lee, who's king of the castle here with his new Hillyberg Ennen, is it?
Hillyberg Ennen, 1.1 kilograms, roughly.
Roughly 1.1 kilos. Really nice.
Lots of porch space, as you can see.
Right. Really nice looking tent, that.
Beautiful colour as well.
Oh, it's a good bit of room inside and all, isn't it? Now there's a decent sized porch there, isn't it? Really nice, top quality Hillyberg tent. Any thoughts, Al?
Well out of my price range.
So it's already beer o'clock, so I'll take you through the this evening's drinks. Unfortunately, I'm on the Corona because it was on offer. Albert,
Topical last year, maybe. Maybe not so much in the news now, but...
still going cheap though in the supermarket.
Aye.
Alex has got something a bit more upmarket.
Well, he says, Northern Monk tonight for me. Going for the Eternal Session IPA, 4.1%. Not too drastic when we've got the wine later to come.
No, is it any good, that, like, Al?
It's not too bad. I prefer the Faith,
Do you?
but a little bit drastic on the percentage when you're going straight onto the wine on a camp.
I understand. Lee, looks like you're on a...
I'm going all in. Vocation, life and death.
Oh yeah.
6.5%.
Oh, 6.5%, mate.
Excellent.
Then, what have you got for your dessert when it comes to the booze?
A bit of Jack Daniels and Coke. Just a small bit, like.
Aye.
So it should warm me up tonight.
Aye.
Although it should be pretty mild tonight, so fingers crossed.
Yeah, we're looking at temperatures. I think it's going to get out to 2 or 3 degrees where we are. on the shores of Ullswater. We're up in the hills there. The wind chill was about -9 on the Fairfield range where we planned to go, but we had to think about it, didn't we?
Yeah. Opted against that one.
Yeah.
Wonder why.
But I think we've struck gold here.
Yeah, definitely.
The rain seems to have passed. There's hopefully a bit of clear sky on the horizon. So that was a pretty decent wild camp. The wind really picked up at about 4:30 in the morning. Some pretty strong gusts coming through even here down by the lake. So I'm pretty pleased we didn't decide to go up high here in the lakes. But I was trying to test out a few new bits of gear on this trip. Last night I slept in a Mountain Equipment Helium 250, which is a down-filled summer sleeping bag. It only weighs about 750 grams and it's rated down to 1 degrees. And I think it got to about 2 or 3 last night, so that was really comfortable. We're in the middle of March and you know, so we're at the beginning of spring. So that bag worked pretty well and it saved me a few 100 grams on my usual bag that I bring along. I also upgraded my water filter as well to the Catadin B3, which has a really good flow rate. It's far better than the Sawyer mini filter that I've been using for years. Yeah, so we're just packing up now. The 2 lads got up about 5:30 because they get up early for work. I usually don't get up till about 7:30, 7:15, so it's the middle of the night for me. But we're almost packed up and we're parked along at the Brothers Water Inn. So I think it's about a 5-mile walk back to the cars. But it's all low level, not very strenuous. So I'm just going to finish this last bit of coffee, I think, and get the tent down. We've left no trace, as always.
Right, lead on.
Let's crack on.
I'll go for as long as this crow lets me pass.
Oh, look at that view. Oh.